Good afternoon. Today we've been asked by our customer to come and survey all the aluminium doors around the complex here. We've got a variety of doors. We've got plant room doors, we've got main entrance doors, we've got revolving doors, we've got fire doors. Let's go check it out. So this is the first door we've come to inspect today. This is a Technal system, which is a rebated door. 3 hinges and a Euro profile lock system. The door itself is out onto the roofing area, which is got a lot of heavy plant out there, which has been brought in and out from the internal to external. So when I did my inspection of this rebated door, what I found at the bottom, I found quite a lot of damage to the bottom rail, which significantly is the reason for people dragging heavy equipment in and out of this doorway, which it's not easy to get things in and out of by the looks of it. But lots of debris in the bottom of the rail there, gaskets which have come away, which will cause a lot of water issues. The problems you can have regarding the door if it's not being maintained correctly: one, the door's not locking itself. Secondly, you've got air and water ingress, which can cause problems internally to the floor levels, internal decorations. And 3, potentially could be a security risk. So that concludes the survey for this door in the plant room. Let's move on to the next door. So the next set of doors we've got to look at are actually fire exit doors. This is a CD section, which is on concealed closers on the header bar, bottom pivots and shoes on the threshold there, and paddles to operate if you need to locate for the fire exit itself. Surveying these, the fire doors themselves, the main issue I did find was there seems to be quite a lot of daylight in between the stiles here. When I've actually opened the door itself, I can see one side of the wool pile is completely missing and the other side is short at the top. Sometimes what we actually find with the actual wool pile itself, if it's not been crimped correctly on the door itself when it's being manufactured, it will move inside the actual stile itself. And if it does snag at the bottom or the top, it's got potential for the actual wool pile to come out at the door at the top of the bottom. And that's why you end up damaging the wool pile, and which needs replacing. So you've got gaps in the doors, which obviously can lead to water ingress, can lead to air getting in there, cold drafts coming in, which obviously once you've got your heating on inside the building, it's false economy for just that heat to go out of the gaps around the door. So it might seem a small trivia issue with a bit of a gap in your door, but later on, once you start getting higher bills for your heating, that's one good reason for you to change the weather strips around your doors. So following the survey itself, all the issues which have been raised have been logged into my iPad there. So when we're surveying the doors, we basically just take a picture of every component of the doors ourselves. This is just for our record, so our team can basically look back at the information which provided for them. So once we've analysed all the photographs, we can come up with the best solution for the customer. On the survey, I was asked to look at the main front door. Unfortunately, we couldn't film that, but I did actually find quite a lot of problems with that door. The main problem itself was the actual door itself. I think there is a fault with the actual door closer. The door is not actually fully engaging on itself. The issue we have got there is we've got cold air getting in, hot air going out, heat loss. We did actually have a complaint from one of the staff members saying it's very cold in the building. So after surveying the main manual front door, we went on to the plant room doors, which is a double set of doors, louver doors, and a single set of doors. So this is a plant room CD door which we've inspected today. One of the main issues we found with this door is it's very tight in its opening. We find the actual door style itself is rubbing against the jamb here, and also the door is very tight on the threshold. What we did find down there, we did find the same issues really. The doors itself are in quite good condition, but they are not operating correctly because they're binding on the jambs. And that's the end of the door surveying today. Thank you.